Hello friends, I'm Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. So today I'll be sharing my IBPS PO mains scorecard with you. So let's start. New batches for bank exams will get launched on 24th March. So as you can see, you will find all the best educators on Unacademy. So now let's discuss the batches which are going to start on 24th of March. The first batch is an accelerator batch, and this batch is for SBI Clerk 2021. SBI Clerk notification will come very soon. So you should start preparing for this examination from now itself. Now this batch is for CET exam 2021. Now here you can see three batches. The first batch is for SBI PO 2021. Now the second one is for IBPS PO 2021, and the third batch, the third batch covers all the basic concepts which are required for both SBI PO and clerk examinations. Okay. So the features of these batches are that the complete syllabus will be covered in all these batches. You'll get top educators, unlimited access, that is till your subscription expires. You can access as many times as you want. You get PDF material of each class. Also, you can access the recorded version of the live classes. Weekly quiz and mock tests are of course there, and also dedicated doubt solving classes are there. Also, every Sunday, Unacademy conducts a bank exam combat test. So, in this test, you get an opportunity to earn up to 1 crore rupees. So, don't forget attempting this test. This test is at 10 a.m. every Sunday. Okay, so use coupon code Annie to unlock the test if you are logging into Unacademy for the first time. So if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, use coupon code Annie for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. Now you can use this coupon code Annie for all the categories available like bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CAT, JE. For any category you can use this coupon code Annie. Also there is a combo pack SSC plus bank. So if you want to prepare for both these exams together, you should take the combo pack. Okay. So yesterday the scorecard of the candidates who had cleared the mains examination was declared. So let me share the scorecard with you. So as you can see, the examination was on 4th February 2021. So the cutoff for general category is 83.5 and I have scored 110.25. In reasoning, I have scored 16. In your general awareness, 22.25. In English, 34. In DI, 19. And in descriptive, 19. So yes, this is my scorecard. But my interview did not go well. So let's hope for the best. And let's see if I get selected. Okay, so I'll keep you posted regarding this. So the rest of you, please share your scores in the comment box below so that we can know how people have scored in this examination. Okay, bye. Today I'll have 2 live sessions with you on Unacademy, and these 2 live sessions are absolutely for free. The first one will be at 9:30 a.m. and in this session I'll conduct a mini mock test for your SBI Clerk and SBI PO prelims examinations. And the second one will be at 2:30 p.m. and in that session I'll discuss a reading comprehension for SBI Clerk mains examination. So I hope I'll find all of you over there. In the comment box, I have provided the link to my profile. Okay, so please go to that link and please follow my profile. Over there you will find all the free live classes that I take. And also the links to my Telegram channel and Telegram group has been given in the description box. Please join the Telegram channel and Telegram group, because there also you will get notified for all the future free sessions. Okay, so I'll see you. Bye.